What's up, ladies and gents? We're back again with some more free Bitcoin. As you might notice, I have a lot less than what I did in the first video. That would be because I sold out of my position. And today we're going to be going over what I plan to do to make it to that one Bitcoin so we can do this together. So, uh, main thing is going to be making sure I click this 24 times a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I'll post a video later on how I plan on being able to achieve that. These reward point bonuses are going to be massive in making it to that one Bitcoin mark because those can be redeemed for Bitcoin once you hit a certain threshold. And of course, my referrals. So, right now I'm sitting at about 150 referrals. I need to continue to increase that so that I, you know, make a little bit more over the long haul. Um, this is what you earn based on your referrals. My plan is from all of my referrals, I plan on sharing 25% of whatever my total is amongst you guys, just to share that wealth around so we can all make our goal together. Um, but yeah, so I just need to continue to click this, and that's the goal. I'm going to be purchasing $10 worth of Bitcoin every month next year. Um, and obviously, if the price changes, which, I can't spell, so that's okay. If the price changes, then the amount of Bitcoin I would get will also change. But this would be kind of, sort of, what the plan is. Um, this is how much I would get by purchasing Bitcoin right now at the current price, which that's going to fluctuate depending on which way it goes. Will depend on whether I get more or less Bitcoin. This will be the interest I'll earn daily, and this is the monthly interest. And I'll make a new spreadsheet just to kind of show the growth of that over next year while I'm continue posting. I'm going to be using Coinbase for all my Bitcoin purchases and selling as need be. All the links will be down in the description for you guys to check out for yourself. And yeah, that's kind of the game plan. The rewards, I'm at 66,000. You need 100,000 to redeem for Bitcoin, which 100,000 is 100,000 Satoshis, which is 0.01 Bitcoin. So that will increase my interest daily. So that's kind of the goal. How you can do that is obviously once you start, you need to get 12 reward points, and then start just moving your way up this scale until you get 1200, and you're buying this every single time. So as long as you hit at least 12 rolls in a day, you're going to make back your reward points. Anything over 12 is profit in the reward points department, which is how I'm going to get to 1 Bitcoin. Because I do click 24 times a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and I'll be going over that in a future video. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.